The Cape of Storms living up to its name, where the South African Weather Service has issued an orange level 8 warning for widespread flooding expected over the city of Cape Town, parts of the Highlands and Overberg. So here's what you can expect. Not just one, but a series of cold fronts currently affecting the country, with the next cold front slamming the Western Cape on Thursday, with it bringing scattered to widespread showers and also a few thunderstorms. If we take our accumulated rainfall model all the way to Friday night, it's picking up that another 100 millimeters likely to accumulate here in this black shade over the extreme southwestern areas of South Africa. This includes over the city of Cape Town as well as the western areas of the Drakenstein municipality. We know a lot of rain has already fallen over those areas. The ground is extremely saturated, so that's why the South African Weather Service has issued that orange level 8 warning for widespread flooding likely over those areas. We know the Limpopo River has already burst its bank. More rivers could likely overflow and low-lying areas could flood on Thursday as more rain falls over the southwestern areas. A level 6 warning for the surrounding areas. We also have a level 4 warning in place for damage and winds in parts of the northern Cape, the Karoo, level 2 warning for the eastern Cape, and that level 6 orange warning still in place for damage and winds and high seas along the coast of the Western Cape. Most of the rain falling here in the Western Cape, as mentioned, with scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms likely here in Cape Town as well as parts of the West Coast. 60% chance for the surrounding areas as well as along the over the West Coast districts, and isolated showers likely along the southern coastline. Ahead of that front, we're expecting gusting northwesterly winds here in parts of the Karoo as well as the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. And then on a Thursday night, we've got the next cold front nearing the country. Therefore, strong northwesterly winds will yet again pick up over the coast of the Western Cape and gusting over the interior of South Africa. A good PV harvest where it's sunny over South Africa, but a poor PV harvest due to cloudy skies that will remain cloudy for the next few days over the western areas of South Africa. It's cloudy, cold and rainy on Thursday in the Western Cape as that front makes landfall. A few thunderstorms also likely over the southwestern areas. Please be careful. Do not drive over a flooded bridge. Only 15 centimeters of water can actually sweep you off your feet. So everyone, take care and be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the South African Weather Service. We're expecting strong gusting winds on Thursday over parts of the Karoo as well as the interior of the Eastern Cape and the northern areas. This same wind will cause berg winds for the coastal towns. There it will warm up nice in the afternoon with 27 in East London as well as Port St. John's. Also a lovely day for KwaZulu-Natal with 27 expected in Port Shepstone and Durban, 29 for Pietermaritzburg. Later gusting winds expected near Ladysmith and Ulundi. It's cold at first over the high veld of Mpumalanga, but later a sunny and dry day. Maximum temperatures reaching above 20 degrees for the high veld. Windy later over the west and warming up in the low veld, 30 in Mbombela. Temperatures soaring above 30 degrees in the low veld of Limpopo. It's a sunny and dry day for Limpopo with above average maximum temperatures for this time of the year. Topping overnight to a low of 4 degrees in Rustenburg, only 1 in Potchefstroom. It's a partly cloudy, windy afternoon for northwest, sunny skies with temperatures peaking in the mid-20s. Moving to the Northern Cape, we're expecting windy weather ahead of that front over large parts of the province. It's cold in Sutherland, rain expected over parts of the Karoo and remaining chilly over the rest of the province. Cold at first in the Free State, -1 in Bloemfontein and in Haribdam. Later, windy conditions in the west and maximum temperatures still quite chilly the afternoon. Dropping to a low of 1 the morning in Vereniging, only 3 in Johannesburg. Later, the wind picking up a little bit with 21 degrees. And then on a Friday, we still have an onshore flow that's going to bring in more rain, cloudy and wet conditions for the southwestern areas, sunny and dry and warming up over the rest of South Africa. And then on Saturday, we've got the next front moving over the southwestern parts. Flooding still possible in those areas. It will remain cloudy, cold and wet in the Cape of Storms with windy weather now spreading over the central and eastern areas of South Africa. That's all from me. Stay safe, South Africa.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station.